The U.S. election process for electing a president is a unique system designed to balance the voice of individual citizens with state representation. Here's a step-by-step breakdown in simple terms. 1. Primaries and caucuses. 1. Purpose. Candidates compete to win their political party's nomination. 2. How it works. Each state holds a primary, voters cast ballots, or a caucus, a public gathering and debate. 3. Outcome. The candidate with the most support in each state earns delegates, who support them at the party's national convention. 2. National conventions. 1. Purpose. Officially nominate the party's candidate for president. 2. How it works. Delegates from each state cast votes based on the primary and caucus results. 3. Outcome. Each party, usually Democrats and Republicans, nominates one candidate for president and one for vice president. 3. General election campaigning. 1. Purpose. Candidates share their platforms, debate, and try to win over voters. 2. How it works. The presidential candidates travel across the country to speak on their policies and debate each other on key issues. 4. General election, voting day. 1. Purpose. The public votes for their preferred presidential candidate. 2. When it happens. The first Tuesday after the first Monday in November every 4 years. 3. How it works. Although it's a popular vote, this vote determines which candidate will win each state's electoral votes, not the presidency directly. 5. The Electoral College. 1. Purpose. Officially elect the president based on state representation. 2. How it works. Each state has a set number of electors, based on its population, totaling 538 nationwide. The candidate who wins the most votes in a state usually receives all of that state's electoral votes. A candidate needs at least 270 electoral votes to win. 6. Counting and certifying votes. 1. Purpose. Finalize the election results. 2. How it works. Electors meet in December to officially cast their votes for president and vice president, and the results are sent to Congress. 3. Outcome. Congress counts and certifies the electoral votes in early January. 7. Inauguration Day. 1. Purpose. The elected president and vice president take office. 2. When it happens. January 20th following the election year. 3. Outcome. The new president is sworn in and officially begins their term. This system combines the popular vote, what most people want, with state-by-state representation to balance the influence of all states, regardless of size.